Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this fingerboard violin tape. I got this item recently to be able to mark my violin, so let's get it opened up and let me show you what it looks like. In this package we have 8 rolls of this violin fingerboard tape. Each roll has a different color. We have black, white, red, pink, green, blue, yellow, light yellow, and this gives us convenience to be able to mark with different color coding depending on our needs. The size of this tape is 0.12 inches in width, and we have a total length of 216 feet, giving us enough length for all kinds of purposes. I also love how versatile these stickers are. We can use it for violin, viola, cello, bass, other string instruments, or even for planners, scrapbooking, or DIY art projects. And the bright colors are eye-catching, making it a great tool for memorizing positions and notes when we're practicing our instrument. If you are in the market for a high-quality set of violin fingerboard tapes, this is definitely worth looking into.